In this video, I'm going to show you how to write off an invoice in Clio Manage. So as you can see here, I went to the billing tab on the left, and then whenever you do this, of course, you want to have some invoices in here to be able to write them off. And then you want to go to record a payment up top right. And from here, you want to select the client first. So I'm going to just pick this one over here. It's just some demo data I have in here. Then I'm going to select the payment source. It's going to be direct payment, and then deposit account as well, which is going to be this one over here. Now, as you can see down here, it's going to find the invoice and of course the invoice ID and stuff like that. And then over here, you want to select the payment amount. So I'm going to do, for example, like 1,000 over here is just some demo data yet again. And then down here, as you can see, it says write off. So if you want to write off an invoice, you can just click on write off remaining and then this amount from invoice, click on it, and you can just click on record payment over here. You're going to get a warning. And if you want to write that off, you can simply click on write off and record payment. And that's all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.